Today is my 77th birthday in New Zealand. I was born in Japan 77 years ago. Usually, I don't celebrate or do anything for my birthday, but 77 is perhaps a good figure that I could manage to get here. And then I thought while I was still cooking a meal this morning, one of the things that I want to discipline myself is to be here and now all the time, or as much as possible. Meaning, I do one thing at a time and focus on that. And before and after, it's already gone, not here with me. So I don't think much of it, except some reflection would pop up and some future idea would pop up. But that has to be in line to my being here and now, which means only what's needed, I want to spend time. Reflecting, something to remind myself, okay, future, I have to do this and that. Okay, I'll write it down and plan. But I don't consume too much, so that I'll just focus on whatever the task I have in front of me. That is to say, living in the now, and it also is practicing Samadhi. No mind, no self. That's the way. So while I'll keep doing what I've done, like doing the videos and meditation, everything will be emphasized in that situation. What it means is that I can only live in the now, and the now is the most important and important moment. So year 77 is not much of a value by itself, but reflection and thinking forward and saying this as like my, principle of living may not be bad or shouldn't be bad. And as I have shared, I can get into the state of, or awakened state, even touching my heart every now and then, and just looking around, and just be, and do the stuff. Breathe in, breathe out. And maintaining that without my effort, it's effortless effort, I believe that's the way to live. I'll still maintain my mission. May all beings be happy. And I help myself and help others in that direction and practice this living in the now moment of Samadhi as the main discipline. It's interesting to look around this house. I have little pieces of paper here and there to remind me certain key ideas. And one down there says, it is what it is. Continuation is power. Whole I, whole body is I, and Namu Amida Butsu. And yesterday I put some post there. Let me just make sure that when it's done, move on. Walk on the tiptoe. And that's also pointing my posture. and meeting every moment at a time. Yeah, exactly. Do things that is needed in the now. You are alive only today in this moment. Just a couple more since I'm here. That's Shakespeare. There's nothing either good or bad, but thinking make it so. A place for everything, everything in place. Everything is in its place. There are more. They are speaking to me. And I'm immersed myself in this setting. Here's my wall of pictures. I painted most of it. So, it's the new beginning. Happy birthday every day.